What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid, all right? All right, look, guys, let me know if y'all ready to make some money this week in the stock market, all right? We got a lot of stuff going on, guys. This Friday, I want you guys to be on the lookout for the CPI inflation data, okay? So we're gonna be looking forward to see what happens when that comes out, to see how that shakes the market for the following week, all right? But this week coming up, guys, I mean, expect a lot of volatility, okay? A lot of ups, a lot of downs, okay? But we're gonna see. All right, so with that being said, guys, here are some stocks that I want you guys to keep your eyes on for next week, all right? So be prepared for next week, all right? And this is not financial advice, guys. Definitely do your own research, okay? But look, we wanna keep our eyes on Walmart, okay? I told you our next target for Walmart is 115, okay? So it is going to 115, but be prepared, for some volatility, okay? We could see it pull back to around 105, all right? Now, we just don't want to see it drop below 105, okay? Because that could mean it's starting to go the other way. We know the economy is starting to tighten a little bit. GDP growth slowed a little bit, okay? So we want to see what's going to happen next week. But with the quantitative tightening cycle starting to end, according to the Fed, they're going to start the quantitative easing. We've already seen them cutting the rates and everything, okay? So that's going to be a good thing for the stock market, okay? At least for the short term, all right? So I do expect Walmart to go to the 115. All right, guys, so keep your eyes on Walmart, all right? I also recommend that you add Walmart, guys, to your long-term strategy, okay? It is a great long-term stock. They do pay dividends as well. So I have my DRIP plan going, the dividend reinvestment plan. So whenever they pay me dividends, I just automatically reinvest it, and it buys me a bigger piece of Walmart, which is going to make my dividends even higher, okay? And it's just a wealth building machine, okay? But anyway, so the next stock, guys, I want you to keep your eyes on is another long-term stock, all right? This is one of those set it and forget it stocks, right? Is Google, okay? So we got Google right now sitting at $253.30, all right? So I do see Google, guys, going to 261, okay? But first we have to see it break past 254, all right? So if it breaks past that 254 threshold next week, then I can see it probably reaching 261, okay? With everything they have going on. There's plenty of, they have plenty of revenue coming in and plenty of new business and plenty of new investments to fuel Google past 261. With that being said, guys, we can see it pull back a little bit as well, just like any other stock, okay? I can see it pulling back to around 250 and hovering around there next weweek, okay? We don't want to see it break past below the 250 because then it's probably going to 247, 246 range, all right? But that's no problem. Like I said, it's a long-term investment as well. So if it goes down there, that's a great opportunity to buy it for even cheaper, okay, before it comes back up higher. Now, gang, the next stock I got for you guys is another long-term stock. I'm bringing you all the long-term stocks today. It's Microsoft, guys. Microsoft is a banger, okay? It's a set it and forget it, man. You just invest every week, every month, or however many intervals, guys, and you're going to get rich, basically, if you just hold it over time, okay? It's one of those type of stocks, all right? So we are looking at Microsoft to go to 521 next week, okay? 521 to 528, all right? But we're going to need it to break past 515, guys, and we need it to break past 515 and hold, okay? We want to see it close Monday at 515, and then I see it having potential to get to 521 next week, all right? So that's the target price that we are looking for on Microsoft is 521. All right, guys, look, if you want to get some free stocks and earn 8.1% back on your uninvested cash, guys, then you need to download the Moomoo investment app, okay? I have the link down at the top of the description for you guys, all right? Look, if you want to learn how we're trading stock option, guys, you need to go over to the website, crazycryptocliff.com, become a member, and you'll have access to all of the training material, okay? But look, that is all I have for you guys in this particular video, guys. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.